Welcome to our channel Simple and Short. Today we will tell you how to use Chat GPT in various simple ways. Before that, please subscribe for future videos and hit the bell icon. Here are 10 simple and short ways to potentially make money through Chat GPT. Number 1. Freelance Writing. If you have excellent writing skills, you can offer your services as a freelance writer on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can write blog posts, articles, or website copy for businesses or individuals. Number 2. Virtual assistants. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks such as data entry, email management, or scheduling. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant and help them manage their workload. Number 3. Language translation. If you're fluent in more than one language, you can offer your services as a translator on platforms like 1 Hour Translation, Gango, or ProTranslate. You can translate documents, emails, or even chat messages for clients. Number 4. Social media management. Many businesses and individuals need help with their social media accounts. You can offer your services as a social media manager and help them create content, manage their accounts, and engage with their audience. Number 5. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a specific subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor on platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, or Schooly. You can help students with homework, test preparation, or even teach a course online. Number 6. Online surveys. You can participate in online surveys on platforms like Swagbucks, Taluna, or Survey Junkie and get paid for your opinions. Some surveys may even pay up to $50 per survey. Number 7. Chat support. You can offer your services as a chat support agent on platforms like Talk2Rep, LiveOps, or Arise. You can help customers with their inquiries or technical issues through chat. Number 8. Data entry. Many businesses need help with data entry tasks, such as inputting customer information or product details. You can offer your services as a data entry specialist and help them manage their data. Number 9. Transcription. You can offer your services as a transcriptionist and transcribe audio or video files into written form. Platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, or Scribie offer transcription jobs for freelancers. Number 10. Customer service. Many businesses need help with customer service tasks such as answering phone calls or emails. You can offer your services as a customer service representative and help them provide excellent customer service to their clients. Remember that making money through ChatGPT or any other online platform requires hard work, dedication, and patience. Make sure to do your research and find reputable platforms that pay fair rates for your services. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button.